Namaste, I'm Uma Maheshwari from Vyanati Yoga. Everyone in this world has the right to be fit and healthy. Our ancient technique yoga has given us methods to prevent us from falling sick often and strengthen our body and mind as well. Even use it as a therapy to overcome many health issues we have. Here I am going to show you some of the asanas which you can try it at home. Please keep your breathing rhythmic and slow throughout the process. This can be done through Ujjayi breathing. Ujjayi breathing is inhaling and exhaling slowly through your throat. Let's start with the asanas. Stand with your back touching the wall and spread your legs shoulder width apart. Inhaling, raise your right arm up and touch your right ear. Exhaling, bend towards the left side. Do not hang your head down and do not bend your elbow. Hold the posture till you exhale. Then inhale, come back and exhaling, bring your arm down. Repeat it with the other side. This asana can be done in the gap between a single door. Here when you bend to the right side, hold the corner of the door with your left hand. Now push yourself to the left side with your right hand on the waist. Gently twist your spine to look at the ceiling. Hold the posture till you exhale. Then release and repeat it with the other side. Stand beside a wall with one arm distance away. Now inhaling, raise your left leg and place it higher on the wall with your toes pointing upwards. Now hold your left foot toes with your left hand and the other hand on the waist. Look at the opposite side. Exhaling, hold the posture with your back and the shoulders still touching the wall. Hold for a few counts and then release. The speciality of the asana is while practicing, we can use some properties around us at home or even in the office. I have shown some pics where I have used some properties around me. But make sure that while raising the leg on the chair or any other object, hold that object to get the grip. Lie down on your back and bend your legs. Keep your feet shoulder width distance and touch your heels with your arms. Now inhaling, slowly raise your lower back with your shoulders resting on the floor. Start exhaling and pull your abdomen inwards. After exhalation, release and repeat it for 3 times. Now we will show you how to raise your body more higher. Bring your hands under your back and hold it with fingers interlocked. Resting it on the floor, take a deep inhale and raise your low back high with shoulders down. It gives good stretch from your lower back till your shoulders. Hold till you exhale and relax. Lie down on your back with legs close to each other. Inhaling, raise your arms and hold the opposite elbows and place it on the floor. Inhaling, bend your legs and bring it close to your body. Exhaling, drop it to the left side. Both ankles and knees to fall on top of each other. Now look at the opposite side. Hold till you exhale and then inhale, come back and repeat it with the other side. Now we can see the variation in this asana. After bending the legs to one side, you can straighten it holding the toes with your hand and stretch it till your shoulder height. If you are not able to reach your toes, try holding the foot with a cloth in the hand and pull it higher. You can also stretch the legs and push it against the wall to get good stretch to your back. Lie down on your stomach with chin on the floor. Bring your arms under your thighs with palm facing upwards. Inhaling, raise your left leg up. Maintain the posture, holding the breath. Now exhale, bring it down. Now inhale, raise the other leg up. Hold the posture and the breath. Then exhale, bring it down and relax. We can raise the leg higher by supporting it with the other leg. Both the legs can also be raised and placed on a chair with your hands beside your shoulder. With the wall support, we can raise it even more higher. Place the feet close to each other with your heels touching the wall. And place your hands folded in front of you and the forehead is resting on it. These asanas are very important for the back and easy for everyone to try it. So please practice it and give us the feedback how it was useful to you so that we can guide you with more videos. Thank you.